right, here we are. 15 says 5 minus 2 2/3 minus 1/3. What? First you do what's in the parentheses. So I'm going to write 5 minus all over again. And I'm even going to put my parenthesis down there again. So what's 2/3 minus 1/3? Well, 2 minus nothing would be 2. 2/3 minus 1/3 would be 1/3, right? And if you couldn't do that way, go ahead and write it vertically. Minus 1/3. Now you can see that there's nothing here, right? And 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus nothing is 2. So 2 2/3. So now I have 5 minus 2 and 1/3. Uh-oh, I don't have anything here, so I'm going to have to borrow, right? So I'm going to change this to a 4. And I'm going to put my 1 in the form of a fraction that has a denominator of 3, so the numerator has to be 3, right? So 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I have 2 and 2/3. All right. Adding. This one's easy. We already have the same common denominator, so we're just going to add straight across. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3. What does that mean? What does this mean? 3 over 3 is really the number 1. Yes. So if this is the number 1 and I have 4, that means it's actually going to be 5. Right? Get that? This is a whole number, so we'll just add that whole number to this number. We got 5. Here they're telling you on this line segment, that M to N is 40 millimeters, N to O is 10 millimeters, and they just want to know, okay, well then what's M to O? Just add those two together. What's 40 and 10? 50. So you write 50, 50 what? Millimeters. Okay, make sure you have that label. Number 18 tries to be a trick, because it's going to say, draw a parallelogram that has right angles. So that's not going to look like a parallelogram that we're used to seeing. It's going to look like a rectangle, because I have to have right angles. That means my sides have to be perpendicular, right? They have to make this kind of angle. Normally a parallelogram we think is slanty, but that would not have right angles, would it? So not that. This one that has all 4 right angles. Okay? Now, it tells you that there's this room. It's 5 yards by 4 yards. So what's the perimeter? Well, the perimeter, we're just going to add up all the sides, right? So we know that this is going to be 5, and we know that this is going to be 4. So 5 and 5 is 10, 4 and 4 is 8, so the perimeter is going to be 18 what? Yards. Then they're going to say, okay, well, what's the area of this one? How do we find area? Base times height, or length times width. So 5 times 4 is going to be what? 20 what? Yards. Yeah. Yards what? Squared. Because we're talking about area. So make sure you have these 2 labels with your answer. All right, study. I hope this helps you. I know we did it in class, but I hope this helps you again to be ready for our test the next time I see you. All right, see ya. Bye.